Alright, if your pie crusts come out tough, greasy, or sad, this is the last video you'll need. I'm showing you how to make a flaky, buttery, bend but doesn't break pie crust in 5 clean steps. No stress, no mystery. Hook. Here's the promise. Visible layers, tender bite, a base that stays crisp under a juicy filling. Step 1. Freeze the basics. 1 cups all-purpose flour. 2 teaspoon fine salt. 1 teaspoon sugar in a bowl. 10 tablespoons cold, unsalted butter, cut in cubes. I chill the butter cubes, and I pop the processor bowl and blade in the freezer for 10 minutes. Cold is king. Step 2. Pulse the dry, then the butter. Dry ingredients into the processor. Pulse to combine. Scatter in the cold butter. Pulse 6 to 10 short bursts. Stop when you see flat, pea-sized flakes. No paste. Those flat butter shards create steam pockets, aka flaky layers, when they hit the oven. Don't overwork it. Step 3. Add just enough ice water. I drizzle in 3 to 5 tablespoons through the feed tube, 1 spoon at a time, pulsing between each. I stop the second a handful pinches together, small clumps with visible butter streaks. Never let it spin into a ball. I'm building clumps, not bread. Step 4. Turn out, gather, fold, chill. I bring the crumbs together and press into a 1-inch disc. Then I gather, pat into a 1-inch thick disc. Give it 2 simple letter folds like a tiny book. Mini lamination for extra flake. Wrap and chill 1 hour or up to 2 days. Step 5. Roll like you mean it. Lightly flour the surface. Roll from center out, rotating a quarter turn each pass. If it fights back, chill 5 minutes and continue. I roll to about 12 inches for a 9-inch plate, brush off excess flour. Then lift the dough using the rolling pin and drape it into the pan. No stretching, gently settle it in. Trim to a 1-inch overhang, tuck it under for a thick rim crimp. For a fruit pie, chill 20 minutes, fill and bake. For a blind bake, dock the base, line with parchment, fill with weights. Bake at 400 degrees Celsius, 205 degrees Celsius, about 15 minutes. Remove weights, bake 10-15 more until golden. Pro tips: keep everything cold. If it warms, chill. Big butter bits, big flakes. Don't drown it. Water is just glue. That's it. Flaky, buttery, reliable. Your pie's just leveled up.